Hello friends, my name is Pranay and today in this exciting Apache OFBiz tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to start your journey with it. Today in this video, I'm going to cover up like how can you right away start as a developer with the project. So here from the source repository location, what I have done is I have checked out latest release of Apache OFBiz, that is release 16.11. So I have checked out the code from SVN repository here on my machine, and then I have set up the project in IntelliJ. Here, the most important thing, the starting point for the project is to know like what are the prerequisites for setting up Apache OFBiz and how to start the project and how to start the development. So here in the root directory of the project, you can locate the file readme.md. This file actually contains all the details that you will need to get a head start with the project. So here you can see that you have a quick introduction to the project and then URLs for the license and OFBiz documentation. System requirements say that you mostly need JDK version 8, which can be downloaded from here. URL is also there. And then if you are going to use Eclipse, you can follow the instructions given here. Later on, you can simply go through this particular file, and this file is enough to understand to get a start with Apache OFBiz, and it will help you understand each and everything that can help you setting up the project on your local machine. So here what I'm going to show you like how can I start the project first of all. So what I need to do is either I can run the Windows command, Gradle command here, or I can use this one based on the operating system that I'm using. So I'm going to run this Gradle command from here. If there is any data which has been already loaded earlier, it will be cleaned up by this command, and all the jars will be cleaned up, and then default load procedure will run. So let's see how does it work. So it is going to download all the dependencies, all the jars which are required. You can see the progress here. And then you can see that building is in progress. And now you can see that data is being loaded. First of all, database creation is being done. All the entities which are provided, which actually come with Apache OFBiz, are being loaded first, and then all the demo data which is there to run Apache OFBiz by default, it's going to be loaded here. So first of all, DB creation was there, and then now you can see the data has been loaded. It's being loaded. All the various background operations are also executing here. There are some entity triggers which are executing while loading the data. And then you can see that if the build was successful, you'll get this message, and then you can also validate the data load has been done successfully or not by this message at the end. So once the data load is complete, what you can do is you can right away go and start OFBiz. So I'm going to use this Gradle command from here. Start OFBiz. So it's starting up. Now you can again go to the readme file, then you can see that here are the URLs. So like if you want to have access to order management application, you can go to the browser and try this URL. You can use user as admin and password as OFBiz. And here's the order manager application. Here are the drop down menus. Here are the other applications that can be accessed from here. So if you go to web tools, there is developer tools here that can be easily accessed and used while developing custom applications for your customers. There are other visual themes as well available for Apache OFBiz backend. So you can any of the thing that is actually convenient for you, you simply have to select it and then it will be changed like this. So based on your preference, you can set the theme of Apache OFBiz backend. Here, later on, you can, as you move further and you start developing your custom application, you can follow the instructions given here. Like build system syntax has been clearly outlined here based on the operating system that you are using, and then further details are also present for each and every Gradle command. Like basically there are two categories for Gradle commands. One is the standard task and the OFBiz server task. So this categorization has also been clearly outlined here. So you have to follow the details which are given here, and your project will be all set to go. So readme.md is going to be your starting point if you are going to use Apache OFBiz for building solutions for your customers. So I think that is enough for this first video. I'll cover things in more details in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.